Finally, but to be very honest with you, this is probably the constructor that gets used the most, is partial. Meaning, notice it's only going to do one out of the entire list of objects that we have, because you may be getting values for it later on. You may not have all the values right off the bat. And that's fine. So like when you're creating a new user, you don't know how long they're going to be on there. You're not going to have a log form or anything else like that, but at least you'll have a name for them. So great. At least we'll have a couple of parameters or values that we can pass in the change. So notice test one is the only one that's really going to be given a legit value. The rest of them are going to be given a default value. And that should make sense. Even average on this one is -1 because I can't figure out what the average is yet because of all the other ones. And again, average of -1 makes no sense too. I even could have done that in the previous one too. I could have, but anyway. How would I use this? Notice the similarities again. It's the same student hardy, but this time it only has one parameter, so it's going to match that one that has one parameter. Now here's the deal with overloading. Could I do the exact same function, but only do it with test 2? The answer is no. Because again, it would match one single integer value. So I can only do this one time with one parameter of an integer. I'd have to create another constructor that would have to have some difference in it so that we would be able to identify which one that we're actually working with. And that's the exercise that you and I are going to go over here in a minute.